interrelational architecture between the vocalist, minstrel, and sound technician. Look at this. This is the word ministry, the sound. Now, this is the typical model that exists in the church. You notice that the word ministry is larger. The purple circle is larger than the blue and the yellow. It's deliberate. And you notice that these arrows are bi-directional. What that means is sound interacts with minstrel. Minstrel is also a blessing somehow to those working on the console. If you're there and they are tweaking and moving all the faders and
nobody says anything,
would you have achieved any work? So there is bi-directional. Minstrel and the word ministry, of course, that's very obvious. Setting the mood. It's bi-directional. Sound and word ministry too, of course. There are times I may need certain quality on my PA for whatever reason. I may need to look at all of these things now. They fall into this category. That's why it's called sound technician. You notice that the sound is even getting better as I'm making progress. So they are but this is larger because it is larger in a church model. What is termed word ministry is this. Anything that you have to talk. Word. Not, you notice the word is in inverted comma. If you are singing, you talk while you sing now, right? You talk while you preach. You talk while you present drama. You talk and talk. That's what I mean by word ministry. Alright? Word ministry is larger in the church. If you look at the typical church model, as we're going to see going forward, we have more talking sections where you have to say something. So these other two ministries help them. That's why these circles are smaller. That is why we need to understand this in principle, so that we understand when somebody, for instance, needs the service of the sound technician. You don't keep wondering, why are you disturbing me? That's the architecture. That is the architecture. Or I just finished playing something and then I need somebody to give me some accompaniment on the piano. I need to understand that. I need to be available for that. You don't play and then go. It's, these two other ministries are helping the word ministry in a typical church model. It's slightly different from a gig model. Take a look. Can we see this? What is called gig now is party, engagement, any form of O&B, from engagement to housewarming to This is slightly different. Did you notice? Which circles are the biggest? Blue and now the blue is the minstrel, the yellow is sound. Because the main thing they want there is groove. Different. But we need to understand what we have this in mind conceptually. We understand that this typical gig model is different from church model. Alright? Fundamentally. If you have this in mind, it will help us reduce offense. It will help reduce offense.